In this video, we discuss how to create a cactus symbol in your computer keyboard using the Alt code shortcut, that is Alt 127797. Okay, for doing this, you must go to your keyboard, and this keyboard first you must enable the number lock. That is, you turn on the number lock by pressing this number lock key. Now you must press your finger in this Alt key. That is, you did not remove your finger from this Alt key on the left side of your keyboard. So you can try this after opening your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, etc. You must keep one finger in this Alt key. At the same time, in this section, you must type here 127797. So after typing that, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that in your computer keyboard you can see that we have created a cactus symbol. And if you want to change the color, if you are doing this in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, you must select this one, and in this section you can change the color also. If you want a green color, you can put green or light green, etc. So if this video helps you, for more video updates like this, you can subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.